In today's video, I'm going to teach you client portals made easy in ClickUp. We'll build a clean, professional portal your clients can use to see exactly what matters, without you doing extra work every time. Start by opening your ClickUp workspace and heading to Your Tasks and Lists. Find the space where you want the portal to live. Hover near the space name and click the three dots next to the plus sign to open Space Settings. That menu is your control center for quick setup. From there, choose Browse Templates. Templates are ready-made blueprints that save you from recreating structures over and over. In the template browser, use the search bar and type Client. This filters the library so you can quickly find client-focused options. Take a moment to preview a few. Look at how folders, lists, and statuses are arranged, and think about how each one maps to your workflow and the experience you want your clients to have. Once you've found a good fit, click Use Template. If you're prompted to name it, pick something descriptive so you can recognize it later. Clear naming makes reuse much easier. After the template loads into your space, start customizing it to match your services. Add tasks in the relevant lists, rename sections so they speak your client's language, and remove anything you don't need. As you scroll through what the template includes, note any gaps you want to fill to make the portal more useful. Next, enhance visibility with a few helpful fields. In the Custom Fields area, search for Highlight, then add the Health field. Set the current state to Average for now. You can update it as work progresses. Add dates to track timelines and keep schedules transparent. These small additions give clients an at-a-glance sense of progress and timing without you writing long status updates. Feel free to explore additional options in this space. ClickUp is flexible, and you can shape the portal around your unique process. Just remember one important habit: save your changes as you go. Look for the Save options in the top right of each section you edit so nothing gets lost. That's it. You've created a client portal that's tidy, repeatable, and easy to maintain. Keep refining it as you learn what clients check most often, and update the template so every new portal starts smarter than the last. If this walkthrough helped, drop a like, share your questions or favorite portal tips in the comments, and subscribe for more practical ClickUp tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new client portal.